Hi, this is lab number 5, the spore stain. So the spore stain is another one that's made specifically for a certain type of bacteria. In this case, it's spore formers. So spores are the toughest thing on the planet. They're almost impossible to destroy, so they're really hard to stain. We're going to be steaming like we did last week, but more aggressively. So spores are pretty big. The only ones who could make a spore are the giant rods. And by that I mean the streptobacillus. So if you're the genus Bacillus, like Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus anthracis, or you're a Clostridium, like Clostridium tetani, then you're a spore former. So the recipe, today we're going to be using malachite green. So just like last time, a little paper towel on top, but the dye is malachite green. It's going to go for a minute. We're going to steam for 3 minutes this time. So more aggressively, the acid fast we steamed every 30 seconds. We're going to steam every 20 seconds. So 3 times per minute, 9 times total. After you're done steaming, you want to cool the slide. We're not worried about it getting soft or whatever like last time. Cooling the slide just enough so you can rinse it and not crack it, because your slide's pretty hot. Let it cool down a little. Slow water rinse. There's no alcohol step today. We only have water. And the reason for that is because malachite green is a pretty crappy dye. It doesn't stick to bacteria. You can rinse it out with water, but you got to do it slowly. So nice and slow, rinse away as much of the green as you can. Then the counter stain today is saffronin. So the weird thing is, everybody is red today. All bacteria will be red, whether they're a spore former or not. Only the spores, they're actually not going to be green, they're going to be blue. So they look like bird eggs. So in the microscope, they look like little baby bird eggs. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do this one. Again, take the little piece of paper towel. There, whoop. Add the malachite green. Let it sit. Okay, then we're going to be steaming again. So you want to be a little more aggressive with the steam this time. There we go. You get about 6 inches above and just keep it in there until you see smoke. No, a little more. Once you see the steam, then pull it out. Count to 20. Add some more dye. Steam it again. There we go. So again, you're going to steam 9 times every 20 seconds. After you've steamed it 9 times, let it cool down. Then we're going to rinse. Take our time with the rinse. Towel. There we go. Back and forth, back and forth. Just get off as much of the green as you can, otherwise you won't be able to see anything in the microscope. Counter stain, saffronin. Okay, so saffronin for 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, you're going to rinse. And again, what you're looking for, if you're staining B. subtilis, you're looking for little blue jelly beans. If you're staining anybody else but B. subtilis, it's not a spore former. You have to be a giant rod in order to make spores. Okay.